I'm going to illustrate how to utilize the calculator to be able to approximate the width for Sturgis rule. And again, this is just in case you've never used one of these TI calculators. So one of the first things we have to do is we have to use the formula 1 plus 3.3 log of n. And you might remember we had n was equal to 13 for one of our examples. So here's what you're going to do in your calculator. You're going to type 1 plus 3.3, and then it's kind of disguised right next to the 7, but here's the log button, and 13, and then you're going to hit enter. Remember we got 4.676, and then we just truncated the rest of the digits after the 6 because we rounded 3 decimal places. We also wanted to figure out what the width was, all right? And you might remember that we had exam grades, and so one of the things we have to be careful of is if we're using the formula high minus low over C, some students might enter it as this. So we might have 100 minus 61 divided by the 4.676. And then we hit enter. And unfortunately, this doesn't give us the right class size, right? And of course, what's missing is the parentheses. So don't forget, when you're entering the calculator, you have to use 100 minus 61 close parenthesis, and then divide by the 4.676. And then you're going to hit enter. And remember, we got 8.34, and we truncated that to 8 to be able to make it into a whole number. All right, so hopefully this helps you with this section to be able to use the calculator to be able to approximate the number of classes and the width of those classes using Sturgis rule.